Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another YouTube tutorial. In this video we'll be creating Raksha Bandhan makeup look, and yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So first I'm going to prep my skin using Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I'm then going to spray some Glow Cocoa by Huda Beauty as my skin feels a little bit dry. I'm now going in with Oma Beauty Save What foundation. So this is my perfect foundation match, so I don't have to use color correctors or anything. Sometimes I can get away without it. I'm now going to fill in my brows using LA Go Brow Pomade in shade Dark Brown. I normally use deep black pomade for my brows, but I thought let's try to use something a bit lighter, maybe dark brown, and I feel like the only thing is that this dark brown has a little bit of red undertone. I'm now going to start my eye makeup using Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. I'm using the shades New Yorker, OG and Semsa. I'm now using Marc Jacobs Beauty Sequence Glam Glitter Eyeshadow. I'm just applying that in my crease without any primer or concealer. It is highly pigmented and it's very easy to put on, so you wouldn't need a primer or you wouldn't need a concealer for it to show up on the eyelids. I'm now going in with Semsa to smooth out the edges. I'm then taking the shade BK and a very tiny brush to do a smudged liner. Now I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And Huda Beauty Tanto in shade medium. Then I'm taking a little bit of Glow Cocoa and spray again before I blend the concealer and the contour. I'm now taking Huda Beauty Easy Bake in shade Pound Cake to set my under eyes. So I'm now going to try out the new Huda Beauty Silk Balm that I ordered a couple weeks ago. For my lashes, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara and Hoodie Lashes, #23. I'm now going to bronze my skin using Mega Bronzer from Revolution in shade 02 Warm. Look at the size of the bronzer, how big that is, and it is super pigmented. I loved using it. This is my first time using it as well. I loved it. Now I'm taking my favorite Milani Cosmetics powder blush in shade Tea Rose. For highlighter, I'm using Laura Geller Charming Pink. I'm now going to add a pair of jewelry to match with my outfit. I'm now going to line my lips using NYX Bloom Lip Liner and Morphe Liquid Matte in shade Virgin. So I'm just applying the lipstick in the center of the lips and then going to pat it with my fingers. I'm now taking the concealer brush again to take away all the excess powder under the eyes before I spray my face again to set the makeup with Glow Cocoa. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I would really like to wish all of my subscribers happy Raksha Bandhan if you're celebrating, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.